Perplexity AI search engine everyone's been talking about just did that were on Google Chrome by introducing their own browser called Comet. They call it like AI agent. It's able to summarize videos, compose your image, and even order your groceries. I switched to it for last few hours. Here's the few amazing features what I have identified in their new browser.
First, you need to download the Comet browser into your desktop. For that, open Google Chrome or whatever browser what you are using. Search for Comet browser. Download. Select this one. Now click on download here. Once you are downloaded, you need to install Comet browser into your desktop. Once you are installed, open the Comet browser. When you are shifting to new browser, you may struggle about how to customize it respond to your search interest. In the Comet browser, you no need to worry about that. There is a feature that would be able to import your previous search interest from your previous browser. Let's also look at how to do it. Once you open Comet browser, head over to the top right corner and click on the drop down menu here. Now select the option for bookmarks. Now you can see option for import from another browser. Click on here. Once you are selected, from the first drop down menu you need to select your browser. Once you are selected, click on import here. Click on done here. Now you have already imported your previous search interest, save password and Chrome extension into your Comet browser. One of the super cool feature what Perplexity AI has introduced in their new browser that's called AI Assistant. There are a few more capabilities of this AI assistant. Let's take a closer look at one by one. First one, content analysis. Imagine sometime if you may need find information, explain concepts, and describe images in a specific web page. For example, sometime you may need information to add as a reference to your research paper. First, you need to find the web page what you are looking for. Once you found, head over to the top right corner and click on the AI Assistant here. Once AI Assistant is open, now it's time to include the Chrome that provide detailed instruction about what we need. Once you are done, click on enter here. After a few seconds, you can see they will be provide relevant information what we are looking for. The next thing is what you can do by using this assistant is cross-tab intelligence. This feature enables you to compare the information from the different tabs without shifting one by one. For example, sometimes you may need to compare the price of this specific product throughout the different e-commerce platforms. Let's check into it. First, you need to search specific product what you need. Then you need to select one specific e-commerce platform from the result page. I'm gonna select this one. Then search our specific product. I'm gonna select this one. Now open the new tab and search our specific product again. From the result page, select the another e-commerce platform. Select this one. Open. I'm gonna search from more e-commerce platform. Open new tab and search again. Then select the different e-commerce platforms from the result page. I'm gonna select this one. And next step is we need to compare different prices of this e-commerce platform. For that, I'm gonna open AI Assistant here. Then input the prompt. Then we need to mention each tab here. First of all, you need to input symbol called add. Then menu bar is open. Scroll down a bit more and select the. Then press input the symbol called add. Then menu bar is open. Scroll down to the section for tabs. Then select each tab one by one. Then input symbol called add again. Scroll down to the tab section. Select next tab. Then input add symbol again. Scroll down to the tab section. Then select last tab. Once you are finished, click on enter here. Here you can see after a few seconds the AI assistant will be provide detailed analysis of different prices throughout different e-commerce platforms. And finally they suggest best purchasing option here. Like that, you can use this feature for compare information of different tabs without shifting one by one. The next feature what Perplexity has introduced in their new browser called task automation. This feature helps you to compose email, schedule meeting, and also making purchases. For example, imagine if you want to send calendar invitation for this specific meeting. Let's see how to do it. First you need to open your Gmail account. Once you are open, next open the AI assistant in the right side. Then I need to set the calendar invitation for Zoom meeting. First of all, we need to schedule a Zoom meeting for that. For that, open new tab here. Then search for Zoom. You can also schedule Zoom meeting by using this AI assistant. No need to manually do it. Open the AI assistant here and input the prompt. Once you are finished, click on enter here. After a few seconds, you can see the AI assistant will be create Zoom meeting for us. Then we need to copy the Zoom link. Yeah, we need to copy this invitation. Copy the meeting invitation. Once you are copied, go back to the previous tab. Paste your invitation here. Then improve the prompt that try detailed instruction to send calendar invitation. And make sure to add the email address what you need to send. Once you are done, click on enter here. Then you need to click on the schedule here. After a few seconds, you can see the AI assistant will be send calendar invitation on behalf of us. Another amazing feature what Perplexity AI has introduced in their new browser that's called one-click summarization. This feature helps to get instant summary for PDF, social media posts, and videos. For example, imagine you may have watched much longer video to learn specific lesson. In the Comet browser, you no need to watch entire video. Let's get into it. First, you need to search the video what you want. Once you are searched, now it's time to get brief summary for the entire video. Remember, in here you no need to open the AI assistant. There is a simple shortcut tag. Press Alt and S. After a few seconds, the assistant will be provide brief summary for the entire video.
That's the end of the video. If you have any question, feel free to comment section. And let me know what is your favorite amazing feature from Comet browser. If you got something helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.